Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Wednesday live session. An absolutely eventless day. There is not much movement in the market since morning. You can see here, this is the chart of Nifty. Opens at around 17,654, goes up to 17,766, and now currently trading in the sideways zone 17,740. Since morning there is not much movement. The first candle low and about third or fourth candle it makes a high of 100 points, and after that for the last couple of hours it is totally in sideways movement. In fact, if you see on Monday, it gapped up and made one significant high at 17,863, but after that it has not been able to take out that high, still struggling about 100 points lower. So this week settlement also looks very lackluster. Tomorrow being the settlement, we don't think markets will do anything much. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. Opened at around 41,242, lowest point in last couple of days. From there on, in the very next candle itself made a high of 41,522, but after that completely in sideways movement for last couple of hours, currently trading at 41,450. Let us quickly see some charts if anything has any considerable movement. Starting off with FMCG sector, this is the stock of Dabur. Opens around 530s, goes up to 539, currently trading at 536. Today's high of 539.80 happens to be the breakout level, but will it cross this high is what needs to be seen. Not much time left, another 2 hours to go, and there is absolutely no volumes or no momentum in the stock. On the whole, not just in these stocks, on the whole even on Nifty and Bank Nifty we are not seeing any much of volumes today. Fairly dull day. This is Godrej Consumer Goods. Opens around 913, makes a high of 927. Opening move is good, but it is not able to take away yesterday's high at 928.75, but makes a lower high and comes back. If it once again makes an attempt to cross 927 or 928, then definitely it is going to be a good up move until 936, wherein it will start facing some resistance. This is the chart of Hindustan Lever. From the lows of 2477 goes up to 2509, and now currently trading at around 2496. Good up move from the opening. You can see the opening was below yesterday's low, makes a low in the opening candle at 2477, very quickly goes up to 2509, about 25 to 30 points continuous upward movement in the first 1.5 hours, and from there on it tapers down and now absolutely in the sideways region. This is the chart of ITC. The first candle low happens to be the breakdown level at 384, makes a high of 392.15. You can see here yesterday's high was 392.20, today's high has been 392.15, missed by 5 points. Maybe if it had crossed the high, then it would have changed the setup, but it has not crossed the high, so very obvious that this is going to be the 384 is going to be a level to watch out for on the downside, and on the upside wait for the recent highs, which is 392.20 crossover. Jubilant Food, one-sided movement since morning, doing well, has a low at 442, but it has not touched from the second candle onwards. It has been making considerably good move on the higher side from the lows of 442 up to 452. There has been good movement in this stock. Moving on to Marico. Yesterday was high was at around 502. Today opens at around 494, goes up to 502.45, and from there on very quickly comes down to 497. Marico completely inverted V shape has formed. Tata Consumers from the lows of 712 goes up to 725, and now if it comes back to 713 today's low, then there is a chance of it bouncing back once again, because it has crossed some of the highs which are critical for you to make a buying decision. This is the chart of Titan. From the highs of 2412 comes down to around 2384, but now currently trading at 2392. It survives the opening candle low. Opening candle low is the sell level. Opening candle low is 2382. It makes one lower high but comes down, does not crack the lows, and it survives. Voltas probably may go higher provided there is some volumes to see, but unfortunately you can see here at the breakout levels there is absolutely not much volumes. Bata India breaks above 1433, not able to sustain, but it is trading towards the breakout zone, so watch out for Bata India also. Couple of hours to go. These are all intraday charts, so next 2 hours there is some volume also, so you can expect some action here. Either it will very quickly go up from here or it will start coming down. Watch out for Bata India. Most probably the high probability trade is on the long side and not on the short side. This is Asian Paint from the lows of 2836, now currently trading at 2862. If it once again cracks the day's low, which is unlikely because not much stocks, none of the stocks are trading above day's high or trading below day's low. You can see even Nifty and Bank Nifty are not doing anything much. So today is a kind of dull day. The entire day might just taper off like this, without much volumes, without much price action. There are many days in trading activities where you go through these kind of extremely frustrating sideways movement where the time correction is happening. Certain highs have been established, certain lows have been established, and after that market will need a breather. It will take some time. It will frustrate the exciting traders by not doing anything. It will not go either on the higher side or on the lower side, but it will just spend time in the sideways movement. Yesterday being a holiday, today and tomorrow maybe there is not much of weekly options positions in the market. Probably if that is the case, then tomorrow also will be a very dull day. In fact, I haven't checked the options data for the day, so I don't know what is the kind of options positions that is being built up. But looking at the way the markets are going on, there might be out of the money strangles or out of the money call writing and put writing happening, because of which you can see here absolutely no volumes and absolutely no much price action today. So that is with respect to today's stock movements. If you are liking the content on Banao Bharat channel, do subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn the mechanics of trading, do join for the Trading for Living programs. We will be happy to guide you on becoming a successful trader. Apart from that, if you are a investor and also a trader who wants to develop contacts and who wants to meet the experts and talk to them face to face, then there is one event coming up in Bangalore. The event is called as Investival, organized by Traders Gurukul and Money Control Pro. This is a 3 days event happening in Bangalore at the end of April, April 28th, April 29th and April 30th. 3 days going to be a residential program, so people can come and stay at Taj Yashwantpur, Bangalore, and participate in all the events. There are around 25 plus mentors who are expected to be part of this event, 25 plus fund managers who will be participating in this event. So you get to meet everyone face to face, and you can talk to them about your investments, about your investment philosophy, about your trading strategies, anything that is bothering you for becoming a successful trader or a investor. Let us all meet once again tomorrow with the fresh market analysis. Until then, Om Swasti.